Our first point is who invented cement. So, in 1824, Mr. Joseph Aspdin from UK is the first person who invented cement. As we know, during the hydration of cement, the cement produces large amount of heat, which is actually exothermic in nature. Our next point is what the Portland means in the ordinary Portland cement. The Portland does not refer any kind of property or a raw material. Actually, it is the name of place from where a natural stone occurs. It is in Portland in England. Next point is the water cement ratio plays an important role in the cement hardening, but for the complete hydration of cement, the required water cement ratio is more than 0.35 or less than 0.45. Our next point, which is important and also asked in many interviews, is at which temperature the clinkers are formed in the process of calcination of raw material. The temperature is about 1400 to 1500 Celsius. The sixth point is the classification of OPC cement. The OPC cement is divided into three types: 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade. In this, the 33, 43, 53 are represents the characteristic compressive strength of a cement after 28 days. As we know, in the world, yearly, a 5 to 8% of total amount of carbon dioxide is produced by only cement. Next point is the setting time of cement, which is very important to know. If we talk about OPC, the initial setting time is about 30 minutes and the final setting time is about 10 hours. On the other hand, if we talk about the quick setting cement, the initial setting time is about 5 minutes and the final setting time is about 30 minutes. The quick setting cement is very suitable for the underwater construction. At some points, we used rapid hardening cement in the place of ordinary Portland cement because the rapid hardening cement gains the same strength in a 1 day which the OPC cement gains in a 3 days. The 10th point, which is asked in a many interview, that what are the uses of high alumina cement? In a place where we want the high resistance against attack by sulfates, we use high alumina cement. It is also suitable for underwater construction. The next question is very simple, but it is very important from the point of view of interview. Why we use steel in the RCC structure? Because the steel and the concrete has the same thermal expansion. The next question is very important. What is the angle of rib to the neutral axis of steel bar? Generally, this angle is known as the deformation angle and its value varies between 45 to 60 degree. The next question is, what are the various markings on the steel bar? The image shows you various marking on the steel bar. The next question is, what is the name of binding wire used in the steel binding? Its name is black annealed wire. The next question is, what are the reductions of bend provided during the calculation of BBS? For the 45 degree, we provide 1D. For the 90 degree, we provide 2D. And for the 135 degree, we provide 3D, where D is the diameter of a steel bar used. The next point is, the standard length of a steel bar is 12 meter, which is come at construction site. The next point is about stirrups. The stirrups is used for resisting the shear force of a member. In stirrup, the standard length of a hook is about 10D and the angle of hook is about 135 degree. If we talk about column, the minimum diameter of a main bar provided in a column is about 12 mm. The next important point is the formula for getting the unit weight of a steel bar. The D square upon 162 is used for getting the weight of steel bar, where D is the diameter of a steel bar. The next point is, According to the IS code 456, in a slab, the dia of main bar shall not exceed 1/8 of the total thickness of a slab. You know, the first concrete is used to build a highway in 1909, and also the famous scientist Albert Einstein has the 49 patents on concrete. The next point is, a concrete structure is strong in compression and weak in tension zone. The next point is, what is the minimum thickness of a slab? It is 125 mm. You know, the concrete structure is naturally fire resistant. The next point is various slump value for the different type of concrete. It is very important from the point of view of exam. The next point is, what are the different mixes or ratio of concrete with their suitable nature of work. Sometimes, to accelerate or speed up setting time of concrete, we add 2% of calcium chloride by the mass of concrete. You know, the addition of 2% of calcium chloride is same as the increase of temperature by 11 degree. The next point is, the minimum grade of concrete used in a RCC structure is M20. The next point is, to decrease the setting time of concrete, we can add hydroxylated carboxylic acid or we can add sugar. The next point is, what are the various cover provided in the RCC structures? For slab, the cover is about 20 mm. For footing, the cover is about 50 mm. For column, the cover is about 40 mm. And for beam, the cover is about 25 mm.